Hey y'all, this is Bitty Boo, aka Dana. Today we're going to talk about something that just kind of chaps my butt like a flame 3 foot tall. Okay? Most of us that's been around a while have been screaming preparedness. Okay? We've shown people what to do, how to get started. That way there's no fear mongering, there's no panic buying, because you are slowly building up your pantry or your stockpile. But since this so called situation started in 2019 to the current day, which is a little over a year, we have the so called woke preppers just all of a sudden they understand it all, they know it all, listen to them, and they can teach you all. But yet, how do I put this and put it nicely? I'm not trying to be mean. I'm glad they woke up. Tickles me to death they woke up. But their asses should have been listening years ago. So now they're trying to work double time to get their stuff prepared. And if you haven't woke up yet, please wake up. But do not go out and start hoarding. Do not go out and start panic buying. Yes, I do suggest you go out and buy a little bit of extra food each time you go buy food. This way, it builds up your pantry. It also gives people a chance to help build up their pantry, because if you're going out and you're grabbing 3 and 4 cases at a time, you're knocking somebody else without having the opportunity of purchasing some food, especially since times are short. If you are a prepper and you're going out and you're buying cases and cases and cases at a time now, give the other people a shot. You know you only have to buy a few cans extra. Okay? Come on. There's coming a situation that we may not be able to get food. I mean, we're low on truck drivers, for one, so it's going to be hard for them to distribute the food. For two, we've had so many freezes, droughts, and everything else that has hurt the food production system. So yes, y'all, there's going to be shortages. But what I do encourage is y'all to try to plant and grow a little bit of food. Even, I don't care if it's one flippin' plant, one vegetable. You pick you out one vegetable. You grow that vegetable. Then try to grow another, and then another, and so forth. But the reason I'm encouraging you to try to start growing your food is so you do not have to rely on transportation getting food to a grocery store. The more self-sufficient you are, the better off you will be. I am not trying to fearmonger or fear porn, whatever you want to call it. Yes, I'm glad people woke up. But they also need to do it responsibly. If you're going to prepare, if you're going to prep, and you're only going to buy canned goods, do it responsibly. Do not go out and buy cases and cases and cases at a time. Okay? If you use a case a week and you can afford to buy one extra case, fine. Buy one extra case. Do not buy 6, 7, and 8 extra cases. That's wrong on so many levels. I do stress get food while you can and prepare. But again, do it responsibly. I don't want you go, there's 5 cases of green beans on the shelf and you go buy all 5 cases. That's so wrong. It's wrong. If there's 20 cases of green beans on the shelf and you buy 5 of those cases, I'm sorry, that's still wrong. You can buy one. That gives 20 other people a chance to get another case. All right? We had the great toilet paper. You might as well call that a great toilet paper challenge because it was a challenge to get freaking toilet paper. Y'all, if you go through one bag, one of the bags, blocks, whatever you call it, of toilet paper a week, make sure you get 2. And then the following week, grab another one. That way you're always ahead. Or if you want to grab 2, fine. You don't need no 1,000 packages of butt wipe paper if you ain't got food. Because I'm going to be honest with you, if you ain't got food, it ain't going to be no reason for you to wipe your butt. It's that simple. Because you will not have nothing in there pushing anything out. But do prepping responsibly. Do not panic. Do not go and just only buy what your family will eat. If you're growing a garden, only grow what your family will eat. Unless you're growing it to trade to another family for something else that you like. That's fine. But this panic bullcrap has got to go. And the first person I hear blame it on preppers, no, preppers were prepared. They buy very little extra at a time. It's the new woke preppers that got panicked and scared that is hoarding. Or people that are just flipping greedy and want to turn a buck is going out and buying everything they can to where when the prices go up, they can gouge your butt and make a profit. What they're not understanding is if it goes up too much, there's not going to be any currency. Maybe they want to be the king or queen of butt wipe paper. I don't know. I don't know. But if they're doing something like that, you're the king or queen of asses. That's just all there is to it. Sorry, didn't mean for this rant to turn ugly or uglier. But I have seen so many channels pop up on prepping over this so-called situation that we've been going through for a year, because now they're woke and they know it all. I am glad they woke up. I wish they'd have done it sooner. I'm glad other people wake up. I do wish they'd have done it sooner. But prepping, like everything else, do it responsibly. Don't make an ass of yourself. Remember, y'all, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever forget it. I love y'all, each and every one. Y'all take care. Bye.